Adam, we call this segment the next big thing in biotech. But what actually hasn't been big in biotech lately are the stock returns for companies with recent FDA drug approvals. It's actually been quite the opposite. So you look at Amarin, Arena Pharmaceuticals, Vivus, they're all down more than 20% since their respective FDA victories. So I want to know what's going on.
What we're seeing, Greg, here is kind of the biotech version of sell on the news. Over here in biotech land, we call this the bio rundown. And it can get pretty nasty, as evidenced by the significant decline in the stock value of Amarin, Arena, and Vivus immediately following their FDA drug approvals.
All right, so I'm going to try and figure this out. What you're saying is that investors anticipated these drug approvals, they bid up the value of the stocks, then they sell or take profits once the FDA approvals are announced.
Yeah, pretty much. Remember that FDA drug approvals are scheduled events, so we know when they're going to be announced. And that gives traders a specific, date around which they can trade.
So do we see a bio rundown for all stocks after drug approvals?
I can't say that, post-FDA approval selling is ubiquitous, but it's very common and something that investors really do need to think about. Getting a drug approved by the FDA is a positive achievement. There's no doubting that. But then selling a drug once it is approved and earning profits from that drug, that's an entirely different and equally difficult challenge. Drugs do not sell themselves. So often investors are happier to take profits first, then watch to see how well a drug performs before buying back in.
So is that what's going on now for Amarin, Arena, and Vivus?
I think to a large extent that's what we're seeing. Arena and Vivus are both challenged with selling new weight loss pills. We've talked about this before. Obesity is a very big problem for sure, but these pills are not the perfect solution, and expectations are very high. Now, Amarin's prescription fish oil pill also faces some unresolved questions about its commercial potential and how quickly it may face generic competition.